Good day, everyone.
I am Elaine E. Malones.
I am Krisha May Distrito
And I am Annalyn Torio.
from Cavite Science Integrated School. And we are here to present to you our research study entitled Assessment on the Integration of Work Immersion and Inquiries, Investigations, and Immersion in the New Normal of CSIS Grade 12 Learners of School Year 2021 to 2022. According to Andaya 2020, Director of the Department of Education's Bureau of Curriculum Development, one of the challenges during this pandemic is not just delivering quality education, but also ensuring that our senior high school learners are afforded opportunities for work immersion and hands-on training. And since there is no deployment done during the new normal, Cavite Science Integrated School opted to integrate work immersion or capstone project to increase investigations and immersion since both follow the scientific method of inquiry in doing research. This research study was conceptualized to assess the integration of work immersion to inquiries, investigations, and immersion subjects in certain criteria or statements to determine the effectiveness of this program to the learners.
Main objective of this research study is to assess the integration of two subjects, work immersion and inquiries investigations and immersion in the new normal as part of the grade 12 subjects. Specifically, this sought to answer the following questions. What are the mean scores of the grade 12 learners based on the statements given on how to assess the integration of WI and triple I in terms of the following indicators? Letter A, MELCs of WI and triple I are aligned. Or letter B, the research topic for work immersion and triple I is congruent to the strand of the learners. Research project is geared to address issues, concerns, and ideas among the respective fields of the learners and to integrate this to outside of school learning experiences. Letter D, the project encourages learners to think critically, solve challenging problems, and develop skills that will prepare them for college, work, and adult life. Letter E. The research project is being contextualized according to the learner's current situation. Letter F. The students cited are relevant to the strand of the learner and utilize sources according to ethical standards. Letter G. The research design addresses the problem statement at hand. And letter H. Logical conclusions and recommendation supported by process data are drawn. Letter I. Logbook activities of the learners aid in monitoring their performance and progress of the research study. And letter J. Presentation of the final output follows the prescribed guidelines set for both subjects. Number 2. What are the other factors needed to be improved upon the integration of the two subjects?
Key literature. Based on the DepEd Order number 30 series of 2017 or the guidelines for work immersion, it is stated that one of the goals of the K-12 basic education program is to develop in learners the competencies, work ethics, and values relevant to pursuing higher education and or joining the world of work. According to the Office of Curriculum and Instruction of the Department of Education 2020, they issued guidelines as basis for work immersion implementation and for all senior high schools during crisis situation. For academic track, the suggested options depend on the kind of strand the school is offering. Cavite Science Integrated School is offering STEM and ABM strands. So in lieu of work immersion, the suggested option is a capstone project or research, which happened to be also a requirement in the inquiries, investigations, and immersion subject. And being a science high school which offers research subjects, it is but by this time that the work immersion, capstone project, or research be integrated to inquiries, investigations, and immersion subject. And this study would determine if the integration of both subjects will be beneficial for both the learners and the teachers, and may also be a plan for future direction.
For the research methodology, quantitative and qualitative survey research design were utilized. The tool that was utilized was patterned in the guidelines for SHS immersion subject and was then validated. 12 students were the participants of the study. An online assessment tool, questionnaire, and Likert scale were used for the data collection. For the data analysis, the mean score of each item was computed using the scripted analysis and final 5-point scale using the values given. Answers on the second part of the assessment tool will also be obtained and the frequency count and the percentages will be used to determine other factors that needs to be improved on the integration of the two subjects.
The following are the results obtained on how the learners assessed or rated the two subjects, work immersion and 3 eyes. Based from the table above, among the given indicators, the research design addresses the problem statement at hand. Logical conclusions and recommendations supported by process data are drawn, and the presentation of the final output follows the prescribed guidelines set for both subjects. 4.95 or 94.48 had the highest mean scores. Implications. This research was only applied to the integration of the two subjects in grade 12 during pandemic, work immersion and inquiries, investigations, and immersion. Physical deployment is still done during face-to-face classes in work immersion. Conclusions. Based from the findings among the given indicators, the research design addresses the problem statement at hand. Logical conclusions and recommendations supported by process data are drawn, and the presentation of the final output follows the prescribed guidelines set for both subjects. 4.95 or 94.48% had the highest mean scores. Recommendations. Hands-on experiences on the topics concerning every student's interest to learn and be guided firsthand on how to properly conduct their research studies. It is indeed crucial for the learners to have an actual and face-to-face performance and experiences of the research they are studying. And of course, proper guidance of the educators is really of great importance. The following were the references used in the study. Thank you for watching.